Hi, I'm a Microsoft MVP from Japan. Do you know this green and black pattern? It's the checkered pattern from the Japanese anime Demon Slayer. How can we fill the slide with this pattern? Usually, people copy and paste repeatedly. If you love building blocks, this is perfect for you. But I don't like building blocks. I can't stay focused on this kind of task. Let's stop this method and try another one. Insert a square shape. Set the square to 12 cm by 12 cm. Select the checkered pattern, then cut it. Select the gray square, then open Format Shape. Go to Fill, then choose Picture or Texture from Clipboard. The gray square turns into a checkered pattern. Check Tile Picture as Texture. Now we have many small checkered patterns. You can resize the checkered pattern to any size you like. This magic is made with PowerPoint. You can also create math graphs easily with this method. This is not slideshow mode. This is the editing view. Try it with your own design. Thanks for watching.